Consultant. So today we are going to discuss with you. There is a good advantage for you guys that I am discussing to you. I want to make you rich. I want to make you rich. Would you like to become rich? Rich? What does it mean? Rich means having too much money. If in my pocket I don't have any money, I have only 10 rupees. I am not rich. I am poor because I can't fulfill my expectation. Okay. So in this case, we are here to help you to become rich. If you really want to become rich, then follow this quadrant. That is cash flow quadrant. Okay. Have you read about rich dad poor dad? The whole universe collect money from only this four quadrant. That is E quadrant, S quadrant, B quadrant, and last one is I quadrant. That is left side. Okay. That is left side and that is right side. Let me clear you that if you really want to become rich, if you want to collect more and more number of money, then which side of the quadrant, where you should give more than 100% focus, that is right side, B and I quadrant. If you are starting your journey as B and I quadrant, then definitely your life will change at next level. But if you are here, you are implied. E for employee, S for self-employed, B for businessman, and I for investor. So you must have clarity that where you want to go. If you are employee, it means you are working in a company and you are collecting money as salary. 20,000, 50,000, 30,000, 60, 1 lakh rupees. That is your monthly salary. You are working for other and you are collecting money. That is E quadrant. And working in that quadrant, you never become rich. Okay? There is no financial freedom. It is very difficult for you to get financial freedom in working in E quadrant. So next one is S quadrant. It means self-employed, like having own business, but at limit level, like lawyer, doctor, and small team, working with small team. So they don't have leverage. Okay, leverage it means you have advantage. But talking about B quadrant, if you are working here means you are running your own business, guys. So in this case means that you are a very brave man. You are minded people. Because starting your own business is not easy. But your mindset is clear. If your relationship is clear, you have a great mentor who can advise you how to expand the business, how to solve business problem, then definitely you should go as business quadrant, B quadrant. And there is a chance to become rich if you are working your own business. Next one is I quadrant. I quadrant is very, very important. In talking about India, 80% people don't like to visit I quadrant. I, it means investment. Okay, it is denoted for investment. It means 90% people, like our Indian youth, they don't like to invest their money for their own growth. Like suppose that my personality is not good, I'm not able to speak, I don't know how to speak English, I don't know how to improve our voice tone. So in this case, what we can do, if I have 5,000 rupees, so I can invest my money and I can join some institute who can teach me how to improve personality, how to communicate, how to stand, what is professionally speaking. Okay, so that is very, very important. I quadrant, it is very, very important to become rich. So you will have to give focus on quadrant E, S, B, I. So all these are quadrant. Okay, this is your life, your decision. Life is very limited, guys. You have very short life. So you must, if you really want to become rich, then you will have to note down in your mind that you will have to start your own business as soon as possible. If you are in 20, then you can start your job. You must give focus how to complete your graduation, your college degree, whatever. And together with your study, you can start your own business. This is the time. This is the great time to start your business and learn. As soon as you can start your business, you will get much failure and you will be smarter and smarter. Many people say that failure is very, very bad. Failure is not important. I don't like failure. But if you ask me what is failure, I say that failure, I love failure. failure is all about next level. It means learning in a very different way. Nobody can give you that learning by paying. If you are paying 1 lakh, 2 lakh, they can't give a very true experience of failure. Okay, so your failure is giving you $1,000 million learning. Okay, so must focus upon that quadrant. Your life is depend upon you. So thank you so much. Bada Business Private Limited, Umesh Morak Business Consultant.